Today, we will learn the following concepts related to integers. At times, we place a plus sign or a minus sign in front of a number. They are commonly used to express opposite situations. For example, the amount deposited in the bank account is expressed with a plus symbol, and the amount withdrawn from the bank account is expressed with a minus symbol. Similarly, the plus sign is used to express the temperature above 0 degrees centigrade, and the minus sign is used to express the temperature below 0 degrees centigrade. If a number is expressed with a plus sign, it's called a positive number. Similarly, if a number is expressed with a minus sign, it is called a negative number. Group of all positive numbers, negative numbers, and 0 are called integers. Integers expressed by plus signs such as +1, +2, +3, etc. are called positive integers. Generally, we express them without a sign. Therefore, remember that any number without a sign other than 0 is always a positive number. Similarly, integers expressed with minus sign like -1, -2, -3, etc. are called negative integers. 0 is neither a positive integer nor a negative integer. Hence, it has no sign attached to it. For correct understanding of integers, we use the number line. To draw a number line of integers, first draw a line and then mark points at equal distance. Of these points, we mark one of them as 0 and mark positive integers to the right of it and negative integers to the left of it. For example, the position of +6 is marked on the number line at a distance of 6 steps to the right of 0. Similarly, the position of -4 is marked on the number line at a distance of 4 steps to the left of 0. Expressing integers on the number line makes it easier to compare them. Can you tell me how to compare integers on a number line? Think about it. In a number line, the value of the number increases as we move towards the right and decreases towards the left. That is, the number of your left side is always smaller and the number to your right side is always large. Therefore, we can say that -4 is smaller than 6. Similarly, if we talk of two negative integers like -2 and -5, then -2 being on the right of -5 is a larger number and 5 being on the left side of -2 is a smaller number than -2. Taking a look at the number line, it can be easily understood that the value of all negative integers is smaller than 0 and the value of 0 is smaller than all positive integers. Or we can say that all positive integers are greater than 0 and 0 is greater than all negative integers. By comparing the integers, we can arrange them in order. For example, listed below are the temperatures of a hill station recorded at different times of the day. Let us express these on the number line. As you can see, -6 is on the extreme left, so it is the smallest number among the given numbers. Then let's move to the right. Now comes -2, which is to the right of -6, therefore it is larger. But it is to the left of +7 and +14, and hence it is smaller to them. So, we will write it after -6. Then comes +7, it is to the right of -6 and -2, hence it is larger than these two, but to the left of +14, hence it is smaller than 14. Since 14 is to the right of all these numbers, it is the largest. Hence, we write +14 after +7. We have now arranged the numbers in order. The order obtained by arranging the numbers from small to large is called ascending order. If we reverse the order, that is, arrange the numbers from larger to smaller, then it is called descending order. So, today we have learned the concepts related to integers. In the next video, we will see some examples for the same. Today, we will see some examples related to integers. Example 1. Rasika deposited 100 rupees in her bank account, but due to insufficient balance in the account, the bank withdrew 5 rupees. Express the amount deposited in the bank by Rasika and the amount withdrawn by the bank in integers. Depositing money into a bank account and withdrawing money from a bank account are contrast situations. Generally, we express the deposited amount with a positive sign and the withdrawn amount with a negative sign. Similarly, the amount deposited will be expressed as plus 100 and the amount withdrawn will be expressed as minus 5. Example 2. Length of a spring when stretched from both ends increases by 10 centimeters and when compressed from both ends, its length decreases by 5 centimeters. Assign proper signs to increased and decreased lengths and represent it on a number line. Increased length and decreased length are both contrasting situations. Generally, we express increase with a plus sign and decrease with a minus sign. This way, the increased length of the spring can be expressed as plus 10 and the decreased length of the spring can be expressed as minus 5 centimeters. To express these integers on the number line, first, we will draw the number line and place some points on it at equal distance. We will name any of these points as 0. Let us express 10 on the number line. Can you tell us how to do this? Think. Let me explain. All positive integers on the number line are expressed to the right of 0 and all negative integers to the left of 0. Since plus 10 is a positive integer, to express it, we will move 10 steps to the right of 0. Similarly, to express minus 5 on the number line, we will move 5 steps to the left of 0 and express minus 5. Example 3. In a quiz competition, plus 1 point is given for a correct answer and minus 1 point for a wrong answer. Samir, Nayana, Reshma and Dinesh participated in this competition. As the competition was very tough, Samir got minus 7 points, Nayana got minus 12 points, Reshma got plus 2 points and Dinesh got plus 4 points. Arrange their points in ascending and descending order to find out who was the winner of this competition. To arrange in some order, we have to compare the points of Samir, Nayana, Reshma and Dinesh. For this, let us express the points of all of them on a number line. On the number line, we will express minus 7 at a distance of 7 steps to the left of 0, minus 12 at a distance of 12 steps to the left of 0, plus 2 at a distance of 2 steps to the right, and plus 4 at a distance of 4 steps to the right of 0. As you can see, minus 12 is on the extreme left. It is the smallest number among the given numbers. Then, let's move to the right. Now, there is minus 7 which is to the right of minus 12 and hence it is larger than minus 12, but since it is to the left of plus 2 and plus 4, it is smaller than these two. So, we will write it after minus 12. Then the next number is plus 2, which is to the right of minus 12 and minus 7, and hence it is larger number than these two. But plus 2 is to the left of plus 4, and hence is smaller than plus 4. That is, the number plus 2 will be written after the number minus 7. Since plus 4 is to the right of all of them, it is the larger of the lot. So after plus 2, we will write plus 4. Arranging the numbers from small numbers to large numbers, we get an order. The order obtained when the numbers are arranged in increasing order from small to large is called ascending order. If we reverse it, it will be called descending order. As you can see, plus 4 is the largest, so Dinesh is the winner of the competition. Today, we have learned some examples related to integers. In the next video, we will learn some misconceptions related to them. Today, we will see some misconceptions related to integers. Misconception 1. One day, the teacher wrote a few numbers on the blackboard and the students were asked to list down the integers. Sheetal, Nitin and Nishant gave the following answers. Who is correct in your opinion? Many times, only the negative numbers are considered as integers. With this understanding, Sheetal answered -6 and -7. This is wrong. Hence, option 1 is the wrong answer. The correct understanding is that collection of all negative numbers, all positive numbers, and 0 are called integers. The positive numbers are usually expressed without a plus sign. With this correct understanding, Nitin has given the right answer. That is, option 2 is the correct answer. Many times, 0 is not considered an integer. Nishant has ignored this here. Yes, it is true that no sign is associated with it. But it is important to understand that 0 is also an integer. That is, Nishant's answer is also wrong. So option 3 is not the answer. Misconception 2. Rahul and Meena had to express -7 on the number line. For this, they drew a number line as follows. Can you tell me who correctly expressed -7 on the number line? Many times, children know that the positive integers on the number line are expressed to the right of 0 and negative integers to the left, but mistakes are made while finding the position of the number. For example, to express -7, Rahul assumed 0 to be the first position, then the point to the left of that, the second position, and so on till the 7th position, and thus he is expressed -7 in the wrong place. That is, Rahul is wrong. To express -7, it is correct to leave the point for 0 and count from the point after it. That is, Meena has given the correct answer, which is option 2. Misconception 3. There are some black buttons here. If the value of one black button is -1, then tell me which group has the largest value. Here, we do not have to compare objects. We have to find the values of both A and B groups and compare them. At times, just by counting the number of objects in each group, we assume group A has a larger value and choose option 1, which is wrong. Since group A has 8 black buttons and each has a value of -1, the value of group A is -8. Similarly, group B has 5 black buttons and each has a value of -1, so the value of group B is -5. To find out which group has a larger value, we need to compare the values of these two groups. Let's compare these on the number line. -8 will be expressed at a distance of 8 steps to the left of 0 on the number line. And similarly, -5 will be expressed at a distance of 5 steps to the left of 0 on the number line. As you can see, -5 is to the right of -8. As the value of the numbers on the right on the number line increases, so -5 is greater than -8. That is, the value of group B is greater than the value of group A. Hence, the correct answer to the given question is option 2. Today, we have seen some misconceptions related to integers.